Okay. Okay. Put your hands on your heart. Raise it high above your head. One second. Raise it high above your head to the Supreme God, to our beloved Grandmaster Chokoksi, Maha Guruji Mealing, all the great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, holy angels, spiritual helpers, and to our higher soul, we thank you for your great blessings, for a divine guidance, for a divine love and mercy, for the inner strength to continue the spiritual practice, for illumination and divine oneness, for abundance and prosperity, for divine help and protection. We thank you in full faith. So be it. On the crown with lots of gratitude, on the ajna with lots of reverence and respect, on the heart with lots and lots of love, we thank you in full faith. So be it. Okay? Let's do, what do you call it? Let's do inner reflection and firm resolution. Make a white board in front of you. Visualize a white board in front of you. All the anger, irritation, whatever it is, it comes at all times. So sometimes it comes to us also. So you just put all this anger, irritation within you, just put it on the whiteboard. Whatever negative thoughts arising to you about someone, because someone said something, put it on the whiteboard. And whatever ill thought form which comes to you, the negative thought form which comes to you, put it on the whiteboard. Completely put it on the whiteboard and say, these thoughts are not mine. I don't want this. I am not a party to this particular thought form. I don't require the thought form. I don't have to have this negative thought forms. Remove it from my system and put it on the whiteboard completely. Now imagine you're also talking something bad about someone or cursing someone. All those things which had happened, that also you put it on the whiteboard completely. Put it on the whiteboard. All negatives coming out from your system, from your mind, from your thought forms, from within, all sort of negativities which is there, which you feel should not be there with you, put it on the whiteboard. Now imagine your right hand to be a electric violet duster with the 3 fingers touching the Ajna chakra. Erase all these negativities. Erase them all completely. Erase off all these negativities. Completely erase it off. And then see that, scan again to see whether anything is existing. If it's not there, it's good. But if it's not there, again, if it's still there, just erase it with electric violet again. All negativities are completely removed from the system, from the whiteboard, all are erased. Now visualize how you should have reacted in the positive manner. Think about it, how it had been good for me and for the other person, good for us as well as for the other person. What is the right way of looking at things? So imagine that you're looking at the right things. When you're looking at the right things, automatically things will be better for you. So you'll be able to see, visualize what is there in the system. So you'll find that you will become a better person. You'll become a better thought form will come to you. Okay, I should have said this. I should have behaved in this fashion. Think about that 3 or 4 times. Yes, I should have not been angry at this particular point. I should have known. The thing is that we are not aware of how to properly talk, communicate. Non-violent communication is a very important thing. If you know how to communicate to people without any violence, you'll become a better person. So let us invoke for the blessings to get us the idea or the essence of non-violent communication within us. Let us ask the Supreme God, please give us this task of becoming a better person by having a non-violent communication to everyone. So when we do not communicate in a violent form, people will become better, you will become better, and you will have inner peace and prosperity, and everything will come to you. Okay? Now think about all the good things. Only think about the good things which you should say. Visualize it again and again. that you had behaved in this particular fashion. Now I will talk to the person in this way so that it pleases you. You put yourself in the position of them and see from their shoes what exactly the way you would like the other person to talk to you. When you feel that you are being satisfied the way it has been talked, then you will not harm anyone or you feel bad about anything. The negative thought form will not come to you. So erase it off completely, throw it out, and positive energies are coming to you, you become a better person. Okay? So that is it of the inner thing. Now let us cut off cords, all unauthorized cords coming to us and to our environment from various people to our chakras, our basic chakra, sex chakra, our throat chakra, ajna chakra, back chakra, all these places, from all these places. And for the ladies, it is at the nipple minor chakra also. So bring it all together, bring them all together in front of you and put two clips 4-inch apart to all these cords. Clip, 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 clip. Now twist them together, twist all of them together so tightly, and then at the center where between the two clips, imagine your right hand to be electric violet light or knife, and thus cut in between these two clips. Cut, cut, cut. The cord which is away from you, and with the clip, remove these clips and send it back to the center's crown chakra. Or if it does not go, offer it to the sun. Those which is within us, pull it out completely and throw it to the sun. Pull it out completely and throw it to the sun. Wherever these cords have been removed, just clean with electric violet completely. It may be in the chakras, all the chakras, from the front, from the back, from the sides, all these chakras are cleaned with electric violet and energized with golden light. Energized with golden light. Wherever the chakras, wherever the cords have been pulled out. Okay, energized with gold. That's it. Okay. Now we'll chant 3 ohms for your physical, 3 ohms for your emotional, and 3 ohms for your mental bodies to be cleansed. Let us chant Om for the physical body, 3 ohms. Now let us do 3 chants of Om for our emotional body. Om. Now 3 ohms for the mental body. Okay, now we'll do a cleansing process wherein we move the energy from the legs, the feet. Visualize white light entering your legs through the ground chakra, through the ground, through the soles of the feet. It is just coming from the ground, moving up to the soles of the feet, the knees, the hip minor chakras, moving to the back of the spine, skip the Mingmen, the base of the spine, the basic chakra, skip the Mingmen chakra, move to the back solar plexus, back heart chakra. Visualize this energy, white light is moving up to the throat, to the back of the head, the entire brain, going up to the entire brain, to the crown, the left brain, the right brain, the front, back and the middle of the brain are completely cleansed, are filled with this white light. Now this energy is moving forward from the forehead chakra, ajna, throat, heart, solar, navel, perineum, sex chakra and perineum, then down to the hip minor chakras, the knee minor chakras, and down to the soles of the feet. Again, and feel that all the negative energies are being flushed through the soles of the feet. Again, visualize the white light, white ball of light entering through the soles of the feet, moving up the knee minor chakras, the hip minor chakra, the base of the spine, the entire spine, skipping the Mingmen chakra, going up to the back of the back solar plexus, back heart chakra, the entire neck, the neck area completely, the back of the head, the crown chakra, the brain, the left brain, the right brain, the middle, the back and the front of the brain. Every brain cell is filled with this energy, white light. Then moving up to the crown, you can release a bit. Again, it's coming down to the forehead, ajna, tip of the tongue, the throat, the secondary throat chakra, the heart, the solar plexus, navel, sex, perineum, down to the hip minor chakra, knee minor chakras, to the soles of the feet. Visualize all negatives, all types of negative thought forms, negative elementals. Deep within every cell of our body is completely cleansed and going down, deep down into the Mother Earth. Again, we'll do this cleansing, white light, entering the soles of the feet, moving to the knee minor chakras, the hip minor chakras, the base of the spine, the entire spine, skipping the Mingmen chakra, the back solar plexus, the back heart chakra, the entire throat area, up to the back of the head, moving up to the crown, the left, the right brain and the left brain, the back, the middle and the front of the brain are completely filled with this white light. Going to the crown, release a bit of the crown. Now be aware of your forehead chakra. The energy is moving down to the forehead. This white light which is coming from the circulating to the forehead, the ajna, the tip of the tongue, the throat, secondary throat chakra, the heart chakra, solar plexus, navel, sex, perineum, down to the hip minor chakras, the knee minor chakras and down to the soles of the feet. Every bit, every cell of your body is cleansed with all the negativities within you is flushed down, deep down into the Mother Earth. Mother Earth, thank you for accepting these dirty energies, these disease energies, these negative thought forms deep within me, which has been flushed out from my throat, from my mental body, from my emotional body and physical body, flushed down deep down into the Mother Earth. Okay, now we'll do a forward round. Visualize white light entering the soles of the feet, the knee minor chakras, the hip minor chakra, the perineum, the sex chakra, the navel, solar, heart, throat, tip of the tongue, ajna, forehead, crown. Moving up, release a bit with the crown, going to the back head chakra. Visualize the entire brain, the left brain, the right brain, the back, the middle and the front of the brain are completely filled with this energy. Visualize the energy is moving down to the throat area, to the neck, entire neck, down to the back heart chakra, to the back solar plexus chakra, down, skip the Mingmen, the basic chakra, down to the hip minor chakras, the knee minor chakras and the soul minor chakras. Going down, flushing down into the Mother Earth. Again, we visualize white light entering the soles of the feet, the knee minor chakra, the hip minor chakras, the sex chakra, the perineum, up to the navel, solar plexus, heart, the front heart, the secondary throat, throat chakra, the tip of the tongue, ajna, forehead, crown. Release a bit, the crown. The left brain, the right brain, the back, the middle and the front of the brain are filled with these positive energies. Down, be aware of the back head chakra. Be aware of the entire neck, the back heart chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the back solar plexus. Down, skip the Mingmen to the basic chakra. Down to the hip minor chakras, the knee minor chakra and to the soles of the feet. Let go. Visualize all the being flushed and all the negatives are completely gone. Visualize this circulation is taking place on the front side. Now again, we'll visualize. Be aware of your soles of the feet. Visualize the positive energies are moving up from the soles of the feet, the knee minor chakras, the hip minor chakra, the perineum, sex chakra, navel, solar plexus, heart, throat, secondary throat, the tip of the tongue, ajna, forehead, crown. Release a bit. Be aware of the back head chakra, the left, the right brain, the left brain, the back, the middle and the front of the brain are filled with these energies. All negativities which is there deeply engrossed in our brain, every cell of the brain is filled with these energies. Now move it down to the neck, down to the back heart chakra, to the back solar plexus chakra, going down the spine. The entire spine is also filled with these energies. Going down, skip the Mingmen to the basic chakra. Be aware of the basic chakra, the base of the spine, hip minor chakras, the knee minor chakras and to the soles of the feet. Visualize the energy is getting circulated from the front and it's being flushed down deep down into the Mother Earth. All negatives are still being removed and energized completely. Now visualize energy is moving from your right side of the body to the left side of the body. Move it as far as the outer aura is there. Feel it's moving to the left, about 3 meters away, and then, or depends upon your aura, about 1 meter you can say. Then it is moving to your right, maybe about 3 meters or more, or less also, depending upon the size of the outer aura. Again, feel it moving. It is actually, you feel as if you're being oscillated to the left and to the right. This feeling is very good. You can feel as if you have been tossed. You have been in a pendulum and you are moving to the left and to the right. Left and to the right. The energy is being moved from the left to the right. You feel at the same time, you can feel your health rays are becoming brighter and very, very strong. The entire health rays in your body coming out, emerging out, are straight and very, very strong. They become very healthy. They are perpendicular to your body. You're moving to the left and to the right. Feel it. Inhale slowly, hold. Exhale slowly, hold. Feel the energies. Okay. This is a very effective cleansing process as well as the circulation process. The entire energy is being circulated onto the left and to the right, and the entire body is being cleansed, and you are in a very blissful state. Let's say I am not the body, I am not the thought, I am not the emotions, I am not the mind. I am the soul. I am a spiritual being of divine intelligence, divine love, and divine power. I am spiritually connected and one with my higher soul. I am a child of God, connected with God, one with God, and one with all. This is the truth, regardless of the capacity of the brain to experience the truth. I am that I am. Let's do soul meditation using Om Mane Padme Hum mantra. You can put your hands in your proper mudra or raise your hands in the blessing position also. May all sentient beings in the higher world, in the middle world, and in the lower world, in all 8 directions, above and below, be blessed by the universal supreme being, by Buddha Shakyamuni, by Buddha Kuan Yin, by Bodhisattva Miling, by all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. May all sentient beings be blessed with compassionate, purifying light and soothing, healing energy. May all sentient beings be soothed of their pain, sorrow, and suffering. May all sentient beings be blessed with good health, happiness, spirituality, illumination, abundance, and prosperity. May the mind of all sentient beings be blessed with divine light, with wisdom and discernment. May the heart of all sentient beings be blessed with divine love, with warmness, sweetness, and compassion for all. May the will of all sentient beings be blessed with divine power, with inner strength to do what is right and to refrain from all unwholesome actions and behavior. Visualize A line passing through from your left, top of the left ear to the right ear, and another line passing from the center of the eyebrows, between the eyebrows, it's going and to the back of the head. Visualize these two cross wires or cross lines are intersecting at a particular point. At this particular point where it intersects is where the pineal gland is there. Also the blue pearl is there. Meditate at this particular point at the center of the cross lines where it intersects. This is where the pineal gland and the blue pearl is there. Simultaneously move your tongue to the center. Move as far as possible behind. You find that the tip of the tongue is aligned with the center of this cross line or cross wire, where you will experience inner peace, inner bliss, and calmness. Simultaneously, visualize the blue pearl above at the center of this particular cross wire. Meditate on this blue pearl. Simultaneously, visualize a golden light above your head, above this cross wire. Visualize the inner peace, the inner calmness, and the golden light. Meditate on this inner peace, the golden flame, and the inner calmness within you. Move your awareness to the flame, the golden flame, and move your awareness above your head, about 12 inches above, and let go. Let us chant Om Mane Padme Hum with lots of loving kindness. Feel the inner warmth within you and the loving kindness with everyone. Let us chant Om Mane Padme Hum. Om Mane Padme Om Mane Padme Be still, be aware. Very gently return to your body. Move your fingers, move your toes. You may gather the energy in the navel chakra. Be aware of the navel chakra. Inhale slowly, hold, exhale slowly, hold. Inhale, hold, exhale, 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 hold. Be aware of your secondary navel chakras. Inhale slowly, hold. Exhale slowly, hold. Inhale, hold. Exhale, 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 hold. Now move your hands to the left clockwise 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now move your hands to the right 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Raise your hands at the chest level. Let us bless every person, every being on this earth with divine light, divine love and divine power. Let every person, every being be blessed with good health, happiness, spirituality, illumination, abundance and prosperity. Let every person, every being be blessed. Blessings be to all. Let all our near ones and dear ones be blessed with good health, happiness, spirituality, illumination, abundance and prosperity. Let us all be blessed to be protected from the various calamities which is taking place in this world. May we be blessed and protected and guided to do better in this world. Blessings be to all. Now let's root ourselves to the Mother Earth through the soles of the feet or the base of the spine. Say, I am rooted, rooted, rooted and connected to the Mother Earth. Let Mother Earth be blessed with good air, good water and good earth. Let Mother Earth be regenerated and revitalized. Blessings be to our beloved Mother Earth. Okay, now what we do is that we have excess energy in the crown. Let us distribute this energy from the crown chakra to the entire body. Move your hand, the right, with both the hands above your head, bring it in the front, move it down to the entire body, to the left side, left leg and to the right leg. Again, 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 again move it, again and again. Now move the energy which is there in the crown to the back of the body, entire body, through the base of the spine and down it goes to the legs. Again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If there's excess energy which is there still, just move it to the entire body. Distribute it to the entire body. With the left hand, move it to the right of the body. With the right hand, move it to the left of the body, entire body. The left hand and the left leg, the right side and the left side of the body. Move it completely. See that your head is not heavy and you feel much better, completely balanced. The energy is now distributed to the entire body, to the left side and to the right side of the body, entire. With the left hand, move it to the right hand side, and with the right hand, move it to the left hand side of the body. So every place, every part of the body is filled with this positive energies. Okay, and distributed. The energy is distributed from the crown chakra. Do not feel heavy at the head. If you feel still heavy, again do some more sweepings and distribute to the entire body. Okay, front and the back. Okay, now let us do Thanksgiving invocation. Put your hands on your heart. We can do even Lakshmi Gayatri. Around 3 times we'll do. Let's do Lakshmi Gayatri also. Om Mahalakshmaye Vidmahe Vishnu Priyaye Dhimahi Tannu Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om Mahalakshmaye Vidmahe Vishnu Priyaye Dhimahi Tannu Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om Mahalakshmaye Vidmahe Vishnu Priyaye Dhimahi Tannu Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om Mahalakshmaye Vidmahe Vishnu Priyaye Dhimahi Tannu Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om Mahalakshmaye Vidmahe Vishnu Priyaye Dhimahi Tannu Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om Mahalakshmaye Vidmahe Vishnu Priyaye Dhimahi Tannu Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om Mahalakshmaye Vidmahe Vishnu Priyaye Dhimahi Tannu Lakshmi Prachodayat. Let us do the great invocation to release all excess energies also. The great invocation. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the minds of every person, every being. Let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of every person, every being. May the great avatar Lord Christ, Lord Krishna, return to earth. From the center where the will of God is known, let purpose guide the wills of every person, every being, the purpose which the holy masters know and serve. Let goodwill and the will to do good descend on earth. From the center which we call the race of men, let the plan of love and light work out, and may it seal the door where evil dwells. Let light, love and power descend on earth, manifest the divine plan on earth. So be it, so be it, so be it. Let's do Thanksgiving invocation. Put your hands on your heart, raise it high above your head to the Supreme God. We thank you for your great blessings. Thank you for your divine presence, protection and guidance. Thank you. Slightly lower to Mahagurji Mealing, to Grandmaster Chokoksi, to all the high beings and beings of light and power, We thank you for your great blessings, for your divine guidance, help and protection, for the inner strength to continue the spiritual practice, for illumination and divine oneness. Thank you for giving us the wonderful blessings. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. On the crown with lots of gratitude, on the ajna with lots and lots of reverence and respect, on the heart with lots and lots of love, we thank you in full faith. So be it.